If you're seeing the SketchUp error that says hardware acceleration is unsupported or has been disabled, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by outdated graphics drivers, missing Windows updates, incorrect GPU settings, power saving modes, or sometimes a damaged SketchUp installation. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it without needing advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is update your graphics drivers, because this is the most common cause of the problem. If you use an Nvidia graphics card, go to the official Nvidia website and download the latest driver for your exact GPU model. If you use AMD, go to the AMD support page and get the newest Radeon driver for your card. Installing the latest driver can fix compatibility issues and restore hardware acceleration support in SketchUp. After the download finishes, run the installer, follow the setup process, and restart your computer when it's done. Once your computer boots back up, open SketchUp again and check whether the error is gone. If you still see the message, the next step is to update Windows itself. Sometimes SketchUp depends on system updates that improve graphics compatibility and fix display-related bugs. To do this, open Settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates. Install every available update, including optional ones if they relate to graphics or system stability. After the updates are installed, restart your device so the changes can fully apply. Then launch SketchUp again and test it. If the error continues, the next thing to check is your graphics card settings. On Nvidia systems, right-click on your desktop and open the Nvidia control panel. Look for the 3D settings or program settings section and make sure SketchUp is using the dedicated high-performance GPU instead of an integrated or low-power option. Also check that OpenGL support is enabled and that performance is prioritized over power saving. If you're using AMD, open AMD Radeon settings or Adrenaline software and look for graphics or switching graphics options. Set SketchUp to maximum performance if that option is available. These settings matter because SketchUp needs strong and stable GPU support to run hardware acceleration properly. After making the changes, apply them and restart SketchUp. Another important fix is changing your power plan. If your computer is set to a balanced or power saver mode, it may throttle the GPU and cause SketchUp to think hardware acceleration is unavailable. On Windows, search for power options, then select high performance. If you're on a laptop, plug it into power as well, because many systems limit graphics performance while running on battery. Once you switch to high performance, restart SketchUp and see if the issue is resolved. If everything is still failing, the final step is to reinstall SketchUp cleanly. Sometimes corrupted program files or a broken installation can trigger this error even when your driver and system settings are correct. First, uninstall SketchUp from your computer. Then, if possible, remove any leftover SketchUp files or folders from the installation directory and user settings. After that, download the latest version directly from the official SketchUp website and install it again from scratch. A clean reinstall can often clear hidden conflicts and bring hardware acceleration back to normal. So to quickly recap, update your GPU drivers, run Windows Update, check your Nvidia or AMD graphics settings, switch your power plan to high performance, and reinstall SketchUp if needed. One of these steps usually fixes the problem and gets SketchUp running smoothly again. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more fix guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other SketchUp error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.